Self-affirmation works. You often hear you are the product of your past experiences. Subconsciously, it is true to its senses. You become what you think daily. You yarn of being CEO at zillion time at some point of time in your life before being CEO. You think of being successful. You crawl across all your failures to reach at the helm. You think of being CA, CS, engineer, doctors. You make your way through it. You contemplate of committing suicide. This niyati conspires and get you married. Well, jokes apart, but do keep it to your heart. You are the product of your past experiences. So make sure you feed it right. What all I mean to convey here is to feed your brain a good quality product, or it boomerangs later. There are 5 quotations which I feed my brain daily to meet the goal of the day, and eventually that changed my life. Plan your life daily, even if you have mountain to climb. Learn to chunk down your objective into small pieces, what we call small goals or short-term goals. If you're going through hell, keep crawling, keep moving, keep walking, keep running, and then you find, after all the dark nights, that silver morning. Change your mind, and change your mind again and again if it clashes with your ethics. This one is my favorite. I can never compromise with any of the ethics of mine. Business ethics, personal ethics, those are the assets of mine. So I will change my mind, I'll change it again if it clashes with my ethics. Don't follow your dream. You're not a sneaker. Chase them, win them, embrace them. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Your appetite of learning should never die. This whole life should be just one platform of learning from the books, from the people around. These 5 quotations keep reminding me of my personality, my psychology, and my rationality. These quotations keep pushing my boundaries, keep expanding my horizon, and pushes me towards achieving more, dreaming more, and attaining more. If you too want to expand your horizon and achieve and meet your daily goals before yearly goals, these 5 quotations will certainly help you as well. Or if you just want to be creative like me, you can create your own quotation and keep feeding your brain right quality product. That's it for the day. But if you don't want to miss any video of Pep Talk India, do not forget to subscribe the channel right away and hit the bell icon so that you get notified the earliest. Whensoever Pep Talk India comes up with a new video, you should be the first viewer. Ta-da!